Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to demonstrate this nice TIMESAVER Series 3100 abrasive belt sander. This is a wet belt sanding machine. Has stainless pan and stainless guards on it. Has some features I want to talk about before we actually start it, because it's kind of loud, of course. This machine is wired for 220 volts. We've just taken it apart, serviced it, cleaned it. It's been painted. We've done a few repairs to it. The electric eye for the belt tracking, the emitter and the receiver have just been replaced. Two of the rubber guide rolls on the back that I'll show you momentarily have been replaced. They were a little bit chewed up. We had them revulcanized. The other ones are in nice condition already. They didn't need anything. The feed conveyor belt's in really nice shape. This machine also has its own built-in coolant system, goes up under the machine. It has paper media. You would put your roll of paper here on the tube. Pumps coolant up onto the spray bars to keep the parts clean as they come through the machine. When the filter media paper begins to get clogged, you can hit the jog button to advance the filter media forward, so you can just keep right on grinding. Also, coming around the side here, this machine also has an air knife, and for the air knife, it's got this really big old blower that goes with it. It's not hooked up, it's just here for pictures. The hoses get hooked to the back of the machine, so as your parts feed through, an air knife blows all of the coolant off of them top and bottom. They come out clean and dry. Also here on the back, while we're here, you can see one of the rolls I was talking about that's just been redone. A couple of them have been redone and the other ones are in pretty nice shape. Come back around it also has a Trabon ModuFlow pump package. And what that means is that is the lubrication system for this machine that is on a timer and it's controlled, so it cycles whatever it's set for. Every 10 or 15 minutes, it'll give it a little shot of grease to all the bearings, all the lubrication requiring points on this machine. Okay. There's an up and a down, so you can set the height for your belt on this machine also. And it's controlled by the hand wheel. Every revolution is about 40 thousandths. You can see when I'm changing it, the bed opening actually changes on the screen, so you can see where you are as you go up and down. Give you an idea of that. Has a emergency stop bar here on the bottom in case an operator's hands or something gets stuck in there, shuts the machine down. Has an emergency brake that stops it. I'm going to go ahead and start firing it up now, show you what it does. Our feed conveyor it can go anywhere from 15 inches per minute up to 45 inches per minute. Right now it's set on its fastest speed. I'll show you that first. There we go. I forgot, you always have to reset the brake or nothing will work on the machine anytime you start it. That's as fast as it goes. That's 45 feet per minute, which is pretty quick. It's rocking. I'll show you the slowest speed also. You have to just change your value. You can change it to 15, hit the enter button, and restart it. And that's as slow as it goes. So you can pick anything between 15 and 45 inches per minute, and that's what it'll do for you. I'm going to go ahead and start the head up. I want to show you inside. We've defeated there's an emergency stop on this door that shuts the machine off as soon as you open the door. We've defeated it just for the purpose of this video so you can see what's going on in here. The belt tensioning is controlled by the air cylinder like they all are. You can release your tension, take your pivot bolt out and to change your belt, put it back in, put it about in the middle, turn the air back on, it brings it up. When I start this up in a minute, you'll see the belt spinning and it will track back and forth the electric eye, the emitter, and the receiver that I talked about that are inside the machine. It waits for that eye and it kicks the cylinder back and forth so the belt keeps tracking back and forth all day. Now I'm going to show you that. Have to reset the brake. Now that's the head running, and you can see as the belt goes back and forth a little bit, the cylinder kicks it, so it's constantly going back and forth. Those are your spray bars above it. If the coolant was on, you could be spraying your part. set your feed down, set your conveyor feed. If you stop the machine normally, it stops at a normal speed, like so. It'll coast to a stop, but in an emergency, when you hit the stop, the brake just kicked in, and that's why it stopped so quickly. That's about it, I think. It has been painted, cleaned, lubricated. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching our video.